Alright, I just got the Pixel 6 Pro in the mail today, so we're going to open this up and unbox it. I already have the Pixel Pro case. That came in a day early, so that's what that looks like. Wasn't my first color preference, it was just the only one that they had. So I don't know, maybe I'll buy one off Amazon at some point if I don't like it. But that is the official case that comes with it. And then here is the phone. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. It is quite the box it came in here. So I think I'm just going to have to cut it out. Alright, so inside the box, we have the Pixel Pro 6, and then packing material. That's it in the box. Alright, so we've got a little easy to remove label there. Okay, flip it over. There is the back of the phone. Lift that out. And then also in the box, let's see, we have a little quick start guide there. Our USB Type-C connector. No power adapter, so I guess they're assuming you already have one of many. Or you're going to be using wireless charging or something like that. I know a lot of people are bothered by that, but I'm one of those guys. I've got plenty of wireless chargers and plenty of things to plug this into. So, and then we have our little, what is it, Type A adapter. So that is it in the box. This does not remove, nothing underneath that. Our little quick start guide here. Oops. Don't know if we need that. Set up your phone. Press the power button. You know, really, you don't. Pretty much, it's all through the phone now. So, all right, put all of our extra little trash in here, and it's all set. All right, so it looks like the screen just has like a piece of paper over top of it, really. And that's it. I don't think there's any other protective pieces here on the phone. No, that's all it came with there. Super reflective. Here, let me there you go. I can show that to you. So high gloss back of the phone. Let's go ahead and power it on. So we've got our power button, volume button right there. So press and hold the power. There we go. So you can see the screen. It's got a little bit of a curve onto it where some of the screen kind of is visible there on the curve. The camera right there in the middle for the front. Very low bezel on the phone, especially on the sides. You know, you almost get like a infinity look, although it does have a little bit of a border there that you can see. Currently has this little bouncing, oh, okay, I think is it moving around when I move it around? I don't know. Whenever that lands on the bottom like that and it bounces, it actually has a haptic feedback. All right, well, the next step is to work to get this set up, and then I'll probably do an update video, you know, in the next couple days or so, giving you my first thoughts on it. Oh, here, let's see how the case works here. Yep, just pops right in. Super easy, super simple. Again, if I had gotten the white version of the Pixel Pro, this case I think would have been a little bit nicer, would have added a little bit of that color. It being the black version of the phone, color-wise, I don't know if that really works, but I wanted to have something come with the phone, so I picked it up. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Pixel 6 Pro. Give you one more look at that inside the case there. I don't mind the camera sticking out like that either. It actually creates like a little place for your finger to kind of rest and support the phone. Size-wise, it's fine. It is a little big if you have small hands. I do have pretty small hands, so like my thumb can't reach all the way across there. But I've been using fairly large phones for a while, so pretty used to that. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do want to see the full review, be sure that you subscribe so that you get that when I post the full review of the Pixel 6 Pro. So thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.